Hey, to update your drivers for the GeForce RTX 4070 or 4070 Ti, all you have to do is just open your browser and enter for the official nvidia.com website. When you are here, just click on the right upper corner on the drivers, and then let's go for the driver downloads. So pick your product type, then go into the product series. So for sure we are picking 40 series or 40 series if you are using laptop. Then from the product, just pick your 4070, 4070 Super or 4070 Ti or Ti Super. In my case, that's 4070 Ti. Then we have to pick the operating system. In my case, that's the Windows 11. And pick the game ready driver, or if you are using the studio driver, pick the studio driver. So click on this icon just to be sure what you are downloading. Then pick a language and go into the search. Now from here, we can find the latest version. So click to download. And now click on the download button one more time. From here, open the location for your downloads. And as you can see, it looks like this. That's the file that we have to open. So you can click on it with the right mouse button and then run as administrator. And you will have to follow on-screen instructions to actually go with this installation process. That's very simple. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.